Hey guys, my name is Akin and welcome to btech Career Guide. So in this video, we'll be looking at one of the topmost companies, Swiggy, the coding round solutions. Okay, and mostly we'll be updating all the job updates for the freshers and the experienced candidates, and we also help the candidates to clear the coding round solutions. And in case if you need any help, you can directly ping on us on our Instagram handles, or you can connect me on my LinkedIn. You can join in our WhatsApp group and Telegram group. You can bring me from there, so we'll be helping you. So apart from that, so let us see the coding questions and the email that this Swiggy provided. Okay, so this is a mail. The one of our candidates have written the test. Two candidates have written the test, and they both performed absolutely well with our assistance. Okay, so this is here you can see Swiggy front-end developer, React, and ASDE hiring test invitation, and same details. You have been invited to attend the challenge Swiggy front-end developer, React, ASDE hiring test. So we wish you all the best, and that's the test link you need to open and write. So they will be providing you with the hacker and platform to write. So let us discuss the pattern of it. So let us discuss the pattern. So what is a pattern? So they have given one question on programming. I think hope you are able to see, right? Let me increase the size. Excel. Okay. So one question is from the programming. You need to solve it in JavaScript. Okay. You need to solve it in JavaScript, and later they have provided few MCQs questions. I think let me grab this. I think I'm using this for the first time, so don't get okay done. So for later they have provided few questions on CSS, HTML and CSS, and third question they have given the entire React application to develop. Okay, so this is a React app. We need to develop from the scratch, so they will be giving you boiler code, so you need to add the functionality for that. So the few questions on HTML and CSS and the React app, I will be explaining that in the next video. For today's video, let us see the programming question which we need to solve in the JavaScript. Okay, so let us dive into that. So here is the first question they have given. You can see a group of friends are playing a video game together. During the game, each player earns a number of points. At the end of a round, players who achieve at end of a round at the end of a round, players who achieve at least a certain rank get to level up these characters to gain increased abilities. Given the score of the players at the end of a round, how many players will be able to level up? So that's the question. So that's the entire description. No need to worry about that. Okay. So now let us see the note. Players with equal scores will have equal ranks, but the player with the next low score will be ranked based on the position within the list of all player scores. For example, if there are 4 players and 3 players tied for the first player, the ranks are 1, 1, 1 and 4. Okay. So no player with a score of 0 can be leveled up regardless of the rank. That's it. So let us see the function description. No need to worry about all those things. Okay. So here you see function description, and come to the function num players in the text editor below. Num players has the following parameters: int k, an integer denoting the cutoff rank for leveling up a player's character, and score of n, an array of integers denoting the score of the player. So return the number of players who can level up for this round. So that's the question. As simple as that. Let us see the test cases for that. So here you see the test cases: n is equal to 4 and k is equal to 3. The score is equal to 100, 50, 50, 25. These players' ranks are 1, 2, 2, 4 because the players need to have a rank of at least 3 to level up. Only the first 3 players qualify, therefore the answer is 3. So the first 3 players only will be qualified. Okay. So function, same function description. So let us see this here. Let me go to the another pic. This is another test case 4, 5. And then they have the list called 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and the sample output is 4. So in order the player achieve the ranks 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, since the cutoff is k, is rank greater than 4, there are 4 players who have the ability to level up. So the k they have provided is 4, which have the above value of 4 is around 5. So let us write the code for this. Okay, there is no pick after that. So let us open the JavaScript compiler. JavaScript compiler online. I don't use all this, but this is the best play code.io. So I will use JavaScript in this environment. So it is very feasible to write code. So let us remove this. So let us remove entire this, and the function name they have given is function num players. Hopefully you are able to see. Okay, num players of k as well as the score is an array, right? Score is an array. So now we need to now we need to write this. So let us define the k is equal to 3, k is equal to 4. Let us define, and scores is equal to list. We have 20, we have 40, and we have 60, we have 80, as well as we have 100. Okay, so this is a example they have given. Let me semicolon, and we need to print the result called, I think it's not print but it's console, sorry, console.log of num players of k comma and scores, SCORS. So this is how we will be printing the output on the screen, okay, by using the console. So let me minimize this. Okay, so the console is undefined because we didn't write the logic here. So if we write the logic, so what will be the logic will be, so initially what we need to do, basically they have given the question like this, 5, they have given the 5 integers. We don't need to care about that, but k is equal to 4, and we have the array integer 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, so from that what we need to do, initially we need to sort the array, then we need to iterate over the array to find the default player, and as well as we need to print the result. As simple as that. Okay, so let us write the code for that. Let me zoom in. Control plus 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 plus. Okay, control minus minus minus. Reset. My touchpad is not working. Okay, let me zoom out on. Yep. So let us write the code here. So first what do we need to do? Initially we need to sort out this code. So sort of a comma b, which in turn refers to b minus a. Okay, and then what we need to do, we need to declare few characters. Let result is equal to, so this is the entire result we need to print out. Okay, and let default player will be player is equal to 1. So let us declare default player is equal to 1. Okay, for time being I think we have an issue here, so we need to enclose that into the another braces. Okay, issue is gone. Done. So now we need to iterate over the loop to let I is equal to 0, and then I less than scores dot length, and then I plus plus. Okay, done. So in case in the for loop, if we check I greater than or 0, greater than or equal to 0, and what we need to do, we need, for score of 5, for every score of 5, we need to check that it's not equal to the score of the preceding one. Okay, that we need to check every time, I minus 1. Okay, if the condition satisfies, then default player is equal to I plus 1. So we need to increment the number of iterations. Okay, else what we need to do, in case if default player less than or equal to k, which is the value which they have provided, as well as the and score of 5 is greater than 0. So if this condition satisfies, we need to get the result out. Okay, result plus plus. Oh sorry, excuse me. Results plus plus. Okay, and at last we are almost done with the coding question, almost done with the logic. So let us print the result here after the for loop return result. So let us see the output. So here you can see the output is 4. Automatically it will be giving you on the console as 4. So let us see the another test case which they have provided. So here they have provided n is equal to 4, k is equal to 3, scores 100, 50, 50, 25. So let us see that. Let us copy everything. Console, and k is equal to 3, and scores they have given as 100, 50, 50, 25. So for that 25 we got the answer as 3. So this is the entire simple program as well as the optimized solution for the first question, the num players. And you know guys, the num player is the default programmer that every candidate have received so far. So our 2 candidates have written and they have got the first question as the default player, which is a num players question. So this is the question guys, this is the entire code. So in case if you get the Swiggy code, Swiggy test, and if you got this question num players, just write this code, you will be getting all test cases passed. And I will be explaining other few more bits like few questions on HTML and CSS, as well as the React app challenge, what they are provided and what are their questions. I will be dealing with that in the next video. For next video, stay tuned on our channel. Do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest more updates as well as job notifications too. That's it in this video, guys. And one more thing, there is an update for you. I have few more cool deals in our description box. Do check out and buy in case if you need it. And that's it in this video, guys. Always bye bye.